Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how to turn a business account into a private account. If it's your first time here, I post social media and tech videos that are easy to follow every single day of the week, so please consider subscribing. So this is a business account and you'll notice it has a promotions tab right on top. So when you have a promotions tab, you know this has been turned into a business account. If I go to a personal account, for example, it just says edit profile. There's no promotion tab next to it. And if you take a personal account like this and to turn it private, all you have to do is press the three lines here and then go to settings on the bottom. And then if you come down to account privacy, you could just turn it private. But on a business account, you won't have that option. So let me just jump back into a business account here. And again, if I press the three lines and if I go to settings and go down to privacy, I don't have that same option to turn it private. So there's really only one way right now to turn this account to private, and that's by making it a personal account first and then turning it private, because business accounts really should be public facing. That's why they're a business account. You want people to reach you. So in order to turn them private, again, this is what you have to do. You press the three lines, you go to settings, and then on settings, just go ahead and come down here to business settings and switch back to personal account. Go ahead and press that and then say yes, switch back. And then once you switch back, your settings options will change. So I'm gonna let this switch back for a second. It's gonna take a 5 to 10 seconds. I'm gonna come down here now. Again, in the same page, I should see account privacy under privacy and security. If I press that, now I could turn that same account into a private account. So if I go here, now it's private. Basically, I just turned the business account into a personal account, and then again, the three lines, the settings option, and then the account privacy turned to private. So it's one extra step to turn it private. I'm gonna turn it back here into non-private, and then I could go back here and switch back to a business profile and go through these steps. But I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for a lot more easy to follow social media and tech videos posted every single day. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.